According to scientific principles, soap acts as a natural enemy that kills the corona-19 virus, while quarantine authorities and clinical experts suggest washing your hands as the best hygiene practice to prevent new coronavirus infections, corona-19. The surfactant component in the soap dissolves some of the fat layers that make up the outermost part of the coronavirus, said the biosafety research team under the Ministry of Environment. No more. Severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS, Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome MERS, and all coronavirus that cause new corona have pointy proteins on the surface. The main areas where the infection is likely to occur during this process are attached to intermediate hosts, such as receptors of wild animals or human cells, causing an epidemic. Spike protein is attached to the fat layer membrane called envelope, which means that the virus dies without amplification because the surfactant in the soap dissolves some of the fat and destroys its form. Surfactants are molecules that can act at interfaces of different properties, such as water and oil. Due to this property, it adheres well to the fat layer of the coronavirus, and because of its hydrophilicity, which likes water molecules, removing soap bubbles makes the dead virus well washed out with water. Alcohol-based disinfectants can kill the virus, but using soap is a much more effective way to completely get rid of the virus because it goes through the process of washing your hands in running water once more, the researchers said. Professor Pal Sanderson of the University of New South Wales in Australia also posted images and articles on social network services (SNS) explaining the principle that soap breaks down the outermost membrane of the coronavirus. Clinical experts at home and abroad emphasize that the virus penetrates the body by touching the eyes, nose, and mouth with the hand that touches the coronavirus. It's difficult to reach a tiny part like the inside of a nail, but washing hands, palms, and fingers with soap and water can remove 99% of the virus, said Kim. Meanwhile, the National Institute of Environmental Sciences biosafety team of 15 people specializes in research on infectious diseases and viruses in wildlife such as bats, African swine fever, and bird flu.